When a wireline crew and the wireline equipment arrive at a well location to perform wireline service, there will be numerous pieces of equipment that must be assembled before wireline operations begin. First, the connection on the wellhead must be adapted to the connections used on the wireline equipment. The lubricator sections are laid out and assembled next to the wellhead.
The lubricator is the sectional pipe used to contain the tools during entry and exit into the tubing. With the gin pole in position, the wireline valve may be lifted and placed in position on top of the tree, where it is made up to the tree connection. If a situation should arise that requires the well to be closed at the surface while wireline is in the well, the wireline valve may be closed without damaging the wireline.
The tool string is assembled and slid into the top of the lubricator, leaving about 1 foot sticking out of the top of the lubricator. The wireline is threaded through the stuffing box and attached to the wireline socket by tying a knot in the wireline. The wireline socket is screwed onto the tool string, and the completed tool string is pushed completely into the lubricator. Now the stuffing box can be attached to the top of the lubricator sections to complete the lubricator assembly. The stuffing box seals off around the wireline to contain the well pressure in the lubricator stack.
Before the lubricator can be lifted into position on the wellhead, the tool string must be secured in the lubricator so it cannot fall out while the lubricator is being lifted. The wire is clamped to the lubricator with a wireline clamp. Next, the lubricator is lifted into position above the wellhead with the rope falls. A shiv is attached to the tree, and the wireline is threaded through this shiv. The slack left in the wireline is reeled onto the reel of the wireline unit, and the clamp is removed from the wire. The tool string may now be lowered out of the open lower end of the lubricator and the proper tool attached to the bottom of the tool string. After attaching the proper tool, the tool string is pulled up into the lubricator and the lubricator attached to the wireline valve.
Before opening the valve on the tree to begin wireline operations, the entire lubricator stack should be tested. If any leak is detected during the test procedure, wireline operation should not be begun until the source of the leak is identified and corrected.